everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to play Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish on the keyboard. I'll show you how the song sounds all the way through and then split it into verses and then do it line by line. So this is how the song sounds first. So the first line of verse 1 is F sharp, E, D, A, F sharp, F sharp, E, D, A, F sharp. Again, that is the second line is F sharp, E, D, B, E, 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 B. The next line is F sharp, E, D, B, E, 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 D. The next line is D, F sharp, E, D, D, A, F sharp. The next line is, which is similar again, it's D, F sharp, E, D, A, F sharp. The next line is which is D, F sharp, E, D, B, E, 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 B. verse 1 is F sharp, E, D, B, E, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp. So that is verse 1. Let's play it again. After verse 1, it's the refrain, and this is how it sounds. So the first line of the refrain is which is F sharp played 9 times, G, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Again, that is. The second line is the exact same. And the next line is again very similar. It's which is F sharp 9 times, and then G, F sharp, and the final line is which is F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, G, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, G, F sharp. So again, that line is. So that is the refrain. Let's play it again. Okay, next up to learn is the pre-chorus, and this is how it sounds. The pre-chorus is just 3 lines like you just heard. The first is which is D, A, B, E, D, F sharp, D, and then down to B, A. Again, that is. The second line is A, B, E, D, F sharp, D, B, E, D. And the final line of the pre-chorus is D, A, B, E, D, F sharp, D, B, E. Again, that is. So that is the pre-chorus. Let's play it again. play is the chorus. This is how it sounds. So the first line of the chorus is we're playing D and up to B, A, B, A, B, A, F sharp. The second line is B, A, B, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp. The next line is B, A, B, A, F sharp, E, D, E, F sharp. And the final line is F sharp, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, E. So that's the chorus. Let's play it again. So after the chorus, it's verse 2, which is the same notes as verse 1, just to different lyrics. So I'll play that through now. After verse 2, we're playing the pre-chorus again, which is again the same as the first pre-chorus, but with a line added on. So it's those first 3 lines we've already played, and then it's just this line, which is just F sharp, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, A. Then after that, you can play the refrain again, and the final verse to learn is the post-chorus, and this is how it sounds. So for the first line of the post-chorus, we can play which is A, B, E, D, F sharp, D, B, A. So we start on the higher A, B, and we're ending on the lower A, B. Well, I'll play that line again. The second line is A, B, E, D, F sharp, D, B, E. And the final line is A, B, So that is the final verse, and that's everything for this song. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up, a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.